Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about what are the points you should keep in your mind before heading toward any professional field. Since this video is for freshers who is going towards their now professional life. See, college life was completely different. Now the profession, when it comes to professional life is completely different. So today I'm going to talk about few factors which you should take care of before heading towards any industry, whether IT field, non-IT field, any industry. You should keep these few points. Before starting, let me introduce myself to those who are new to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Amita Singh and I'm a full stack developer working in Verizon. I have also worked in CTS. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press the subscribe button. And on this channel, you will find so many informative videos related to your career growth, career orientation, or career oriented videos. So if you haven't subscribed it yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Now guys, at the end of the video, if you find this video informative, please press thumbs up or thumbs down. Please guys, that will help me in creating a better content if I am lacking somewhere. That really motivates me if you press thumbs up, and it really helps me to work more and more on my content. So please press thumbs up if you find this video informative. So let's get started. So what are the points which you should take care of before heading towards the different professional field? So I'll cover three important points here. The first point is interaction. The third point, interaction with colleagues. And the second point is email writing. And the third is your communication skills. Now let's first talk about what is interaction. So if you are heading towards your professional life, though you had no friends in college, though you were so much shy in college, or whatever the reason is, guys, in your professional world, you need to be very interactive with the people around you. You need to be very interactive with your colleagues, because maybe that interaction will help you in your career growth. Maybe some people will guide you. Maybe some people will motivates you to do something. So that things come only after if you are interacting with your colleagues. So day-to-day interaction on cup of tea, in tea break or lunch break, or any time, whenever you find free time, you should be always enthusiastic to ask queries or questions, or you should be very energetic, to interact with your colleagues. Now, interaction is important. Now, in communication, I will tell how you should communicate to your colleagues. So always remember, don't sit in some corner of your, the working place, and what task is coming and you are doing, task is coming and you are doing. Your personality should not be like that, because, at least in your project, everybody should know, okay, who is this guy? So make yourself visible in your project. Visibility comes from either from your work or from the way how you behave with the people. So visibility is very important. So don't be, somewhere sitting at the corner. Don't be like that in industry. So that will really help you out. And this is my personal experiences telling you. Now, the second thing is email writing. Guys, many freshers, including me, I have done so many mistakes while writing email to the professional, the higher people, the managerial people. Seriously, I'm telling my experience. Initially, I was not aware of how to write a polite mail. Means I used to write like, this is a really high priority task. Can you do this within like whatever? So I used to write like this. I cannot give you example, just live example here, but there is a professional way to write an email, and that you can search it out on Google. Okay, how to write email to your manager, how to write email to your how to write professional email. So during that time only, after doing 2 to 3 mistakes, my manager, he was really, I'm really blessed that I had the manager who really helped me in finding my mistakes in my email. He used to, whenever I wrote email to some higher authority, and he used to call me like, Amita, you should not use such words like can or something. Instead of can you use, if you use could you please do this, this is a high priority task, that it sounds more polite than can you please do this. Can you is more commanding. So the professional world is going, who are not side by side, who are sitting somewhere in some corner of the world, then your email will be the only communication, only the messenger where he can judge your personality. So writing professional mail is very important, and you should know how to write a professional mail or how to write a polite mail. So if you haven't idea, go and Google it out. Even I used to Google out some sentence like how I can write a polite or professional mail, or for regarding this. I used to search a lot, and I have worked on that. So yes, writing a professional mail is very important, and you should know how to write that. Now the third thing is communication. Guys, in college we used to communicate it like, we used to communicate like whatever we want. We used to say like anybody, we used to make fun of anybody, just we are cracking a joke, it's don't mind people, like this we used to say like this. But in professional world, we cannot talk anything, I won't use any word, okay, we cannot talk like in our swag. Okay, we should maintain the professional environment. How, like, you may not find good friends over there, but you may find a good colleagues who are very helpful to you. You cannot crack jokes on somebody, that person may not feel good in front of other people. So you should watch your words before putting it into the sentence. And you should be polite to everybody, and you should be humble. And though your personality, even if your personality is harsh or whatever, in the professional world, try to be more professional, more polite, more humble while you are communicating with your colleagues. That's very important. And never make I would suggest in advance, like never make some fun or something, crack jokes on somebody. They may take this seriously, and they may take serious action on it. And there is an action on this is called harassment. And while starting your career now, you will be facing some test. The code of conduct. What is code of conduct? What comes under code of conduct? Then that time you will get to know what is called what comes under harassment, or what that do not comes under harassment. So be careful, do not put yourself in trouble, though you are a fresher, but at least you should be humble and polite while talking with your colleagues. So this is very important. Now these are the 3 points for a fresher to avoid while you are heading towards the new phase of your life, that is a professional phase. And these 3 points is very important, guys. So hope I have made this very clear to you. And if you like this video, please press thumbs up. That will really help me out, guys, to make more and more videos. That really motivates me. If you give thumbs up, can I expect few thumbs up on this video? Thank you for watching, and hope this video was informative to you. Thank you for watching.